Yes, boys, just a quick trade recap of today's trade, so let's hop straight into it. So, coming off of 930, we'll get a nice deep retracement from this expansion move to the upside, and then we'll mitigate this grey box just right at the bottom of the chart, which is a 1 hour BISI, or a bullish fair value gap, and then we'll get that nice reaction off of it, get a market structure shift, inversion fair value gap here, which I'll just quickly mark out now. Got the inversion fair value gap, got a change in the state when price closed above this down close candle here. And then that is exactly where we entered for longs. So price came above, waiting for a nice entry at the change in the state order block. So took the entry there, stop loss was exactly 30 handles, and it was right below this inversion fair value gap, which is valid. And then obviously price just had a nice deep retracement, clearing the stops below this inversion fair value gap, and then obviously get stopped out on the first trade. So anyways, going into the second trade, we'll get this expansion move again, inverting these bullish fair value gaps, and this one was taken off of the 2-minute time frame. So we'll get stopped out on this trade, and then we invert this bearish fair value gap again. So that is where I took the re-entry, was just off of the reaction of the 2-minute inversion fair value gap. And as well, at this point, we also created a SMT divergence with ES not taking that same swing low. If we get a look at ES on the 2-minute time frame, so you can see the SMT there in play at these two lows. So again, inversion fair value gap, reaction off of the fair value gap, entry, targeting the 2 risk to reward, took a partial above these equal highs, which was a smart move just in case price wanted a reverse, in which it did at first, and then obviously we got final TP after. So we're closed around 70 to 80% of the position on TP1, and then as price retraced above this swing high, we closed another 3 contracts, and then final TP with 2 contracts, with the final 2 contracts. So overall on this trade was 15 micros. Obviously I would never do that on me 50k accounts because I only trade like 5 micros on them. Obviously I couldn't trade on my funded account today because, as you guys seen in the live stream, I tried to place the first trade on the funded account, and then I think something went wrong with the maintenance or something with Trade8 and TradingView, so I couldn't log into that. But anyways, we got it sorted. We signed into the paper trading account, and then we caught a nice decent trade. So overall on this trade was around 59 handles, and I believe this one was like 29.75. I think it was like 28.75 handles. Yeah, so it was 30.75 handles on this loss, and then obviously this win was 59 handles. So overall on the day as a W, 28.25 handles or points. But yeah, that just sums it up for today's trades. Obviously the bias was right. From obviously both trades were big buys. First trade was just a bit unlucky. Got stopped out just by a couple of points. I mean, we got stopped out at 7575, which you can see the red arrow there at the bottom. Literally got stopped out right here, and then price reversed and hit TP in anyways. So it's just one of them days, just a bit awkward price action, but overall on the day, nice little W, 28.25 handles. And for VIP members, I'll see you all in tomorrow's live stream.